After 300 yards, go left on the roundabout and take the first exit.
So when we left that road, when we says, okay, drive off when you're ready, as we're going, so there was a one park car on the left here, and after about half a mile, there was a lorry parked up over there, I'm pretty much sure, yeah? And obviously, it's supposed to be 2 lane. When we've gone past, we are kind of driving on a lane B.
Other side, yeah. So I didn't move back over, basically.
Why not?
I don't know. Obviously, I didn't realise I'd done it, otherwise I would have. So.
But is it safe or unsafe? What? You did eventually come back a little bit here because you saw you getting closer to the roundabout. There was a motorbike was coming. You did come back, but after it was a bit too late. So about from there, all the way there, you kind of driving a bit more on the lane B. If it's a small gap, let's say this much, perfect, makes sense. Continue driving on that one.
Yeah.
If this red car in front of us parked up at the top where that other red car is, for example, yeah,
Yeah.
would you want to keep driving there, or would you be able to come back into your road
You'd be able to go back.
and then go up? Now I'm giving you minor for this one, and I'm not kidding. My own learners have got serious for not using the big gaps. Word of advice. So you did quite well there, but you reacted slightly late. So you knew there was a roundabout coming. I can see there was a motorbike was coming that time. We did plan, but we reacted slightly late, so we have to do sudden braking before the lorry, isn't it?
Yeah.
You think you could have done better that time? Anticipated that he might come. So
Yeah.
start thinking about that. So I'm just giving you advice